Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and very good afternoon to all of you. Right now, I'm going to talk about the average annual salary of a Java DevOps engineer. Very high confidence means the data is based on a large number of responses. DevOps engineers' salary in India ranges between 4.2 lakhs to 12.2 lakhs with an average annual salary of 6.0 lakhs. So guys, I think you get that idea about the salary packages of a DevOps engineer. So kindly don't waste your time. Be a part of PCS Global. Make your future brighter. Make our name brighter. Okay. And in my today's session, I have just given you the idea about the salary packages. In my another session, I am going to talk about more about the technologies also. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment.